Hi, I'm Dr. Tina Marcantel, and I have a great recipe for you today for a banana chocolate shake. Let's talk about the ingredients first. 3/4 cup to 1 cup of cold water, 6 ounces of frozen bananas. That usually equals 1.5 to 2 bananas, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa, and a few drops of stevia. Blend and enjoy. Okay, here's how simple it is. We put our 3/4 cup of cold water in here. We put our 6 ounces of frozen bananas. All right. I'm going to put a few drops of stevia. You can use plain stevia or chocolate. Either one of them is going to be really good. Put that in there with 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa. Okay, let's blend that up. Quick and easy. And here we go. Look at that consistency, perfect. Delicious. Now what I do sometimes is if I want a little bit coconut, I will add 1 tablespoon of coconut to the shake after I blend it. It is delicious. So the great thing about this shake is it has antioxidant properties with the cocoa. It has wonderful omega-3 fatty acids with the coconut oil, and bananas are full of potassium. And boy, it is delicious. Cheers!